Alright, I think the best way to approach these true-false questions is to look at the original question that the graph is in reference to, or that the questions are in reference to, and try to look at a graph. Okay? Now, here's what's happening. And these are basically skills that you need to remember from the past unit. Okay? The squared there means it's a parabola. The minus in front means that it's opening down. The 2 in front basically means that what you've done is you have stretched the parabola so its branches are going to be a little narrower than the original graph of y equals x squared. Forget the minus. That turns it upside down. The 2 stretches. So it pulls it up faster, which makes the branches closer. This shifts my original parabola 3 to the left. This moves it up 5. So what I can see here is if I've moved it 3 and up 5, my vertex used to be at 0, 0. Now my vertex is going to be at negative 3, 5. Negative 3, 5 is my vertex, okay? And this parabola opens down. I know that, okay? And it's a little bit skinnier. Now I'm not going to draw an exact picture, like I'm not going to take the time to compute the y-intercept or anything. But basically what I have here is a parabola opening down, and it's going to be a little narrower, okay, just to give you an idea, just a little narrower than our normal parabola, okay? So the first question, the vertex is the ordered pair negative 3, 5. True. Five is a maximum value. Well, true, because that's the y value of the vertex and everything else is below it. Negative 3 is the axis of symmetry. False. And you need to be very careful there. Negative 3 is just a number, and yes, it happens to be the x-coordinate of the vertex, but remember the axis of symmetry is an equation, so the axis of symmetry has to have the letter x in it. So the correct answer would be the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 3, not just negative 3. That's why this is false. This graph is wider than the graph of y equals x squared. No. The 2 in front stretched it, and what the stretching does is it makes it actually narrower. So this is false. All right, and we are done.